this video, I'm going to show you how to increase volume in laptop. So the easiest way to do it is simply by going down here to the Windows toolbar and then over here to the right where you can see this speakers, Realtek R Audio or anything else, but it's going to show your speaker, okay? So if you don't see this, you want to press this arrow up over here and it should be inside here. Now then what you want to do is simply click it, and as you can see in Windows 11 it will open up this slider bar when you can basically increase or decrease volume in your laptop. So you can simply drag it around, as you can see, and your volume will increase or decrease. Now that's the first option, and the second one is without entering this section over here via only your keyboard. Now usually the shortcuts on your keyboard are F2 or F3 key, or in some cases you may have to press the FN key as well together with them. So if I now press the FN key on my Lenovo laptop and then press F3, as you can see down here at the bottom my volume is increasing, and then once this kind of pop-up is shown, you can also drag it around your mouse button and change the volume. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. You can use the keyboard or go down here as I showed you, and that's pretty much how you increase volume in your laptop.